Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel right here and then press the bell notification, like the video as well and share the video with your trading friends. So subscribe, like and share and press the bell notification. Now whether you are new or old, if you're watching my videos, then below the videos you will also find these links which I want to talk about once and for all. Now, first link says join free Telegram channel. So if you want some free signals every now and then go and join Telegram, okay? Second link says check out best prop firm and Forex brokers. So you can join these brokers and start your trading journey, especially if you want to trade with my signals, then make sure you have a separate account with these brokers, separate accounts so that we can get the accurate data that how many trades did you win or lose using my signals in that separate account. So go and join the brokers using my link also to support this channel, okay? Because I am doing everything for free. When you go and watch my videos, I give you entry signals at which candle to enter and when to exit, okay? So if you are making money with my videos, I'm not charging you any single thing, and you need to show that why should I carry on doing that, okay? I don't need your money, but you need to show me that why should I carry on doing this for free. I'm not getting anything from you, okay? So go and join brokers using my link. And then there is one more link which I have introduced. Just below that, it says pay fees from analysis, okay? So normally on the internet, people will do these analysis either, in just 2 minutes. They will say, okay, the trend is up, look for longs after pullback, or trend is down, look for shorts after each pullback, okay? I am not doing that because if I do that, that's like, you're stupid, okay? This is something everybody knows. Everybody knows, okay, trend is up, so we need to look for longs. Trend is down, we need to look for. Everybody knows that who's into trading, okay? So I have to, why will you watch my videos? Because I'm not just the some random or the other guy on YouTube, okay? I'm not some other guy on YouTube. I'm something which nobody else is, okay? So whatever I'm giving to you for free is worth thousands and thousands of dollars. You will get to know about this after watching the video till the end, my analysis, okay? And you can watch my previous videos too. So if you think my analysis is worth something or you have made money using my videos, you can go to this link which says pay fees for my analysis and pay whatever you feel like. Okay, I'm not asking you to buy my $1,000 course or $2,000 course. That's what normally people get you into, okay? So there is a condition with every trader who's making YouTube videos that join my this program, join my that program, and they're not wrong. They're not wrong. They're doing the right thing, charging you thousands of dollars. Only I'm an idiot here for now doing everything for free, okay? So either we work as a team or I don't work at all, right? So I don't need analysis for myself because I can do it myself, okay? So if you are watching my video, it's your responsibility to contribute in whatever form you can, and especially go and join these brokers because that is free and then you can start your trading. And if you want to contribute towards the fees, you can you can pay whatever you like using the link. And then there's one more interesting thing. If you click on these three dots, if you open my video on your laptop, then click on three dots and you will see this thing called super fangs, okay? So this super fangs which you might be interested in to get your questions answered, okay? So for example, in this live chat, I don't have a live streaming going on my channel as of now. Normally people ask what do you call super chat in live, but in recorded videos you can do super thanks and get your questions answered later on by me, okay? So I thought you should know this. So this is a very cool feature from YouTube that you can click on these three dots and then click on thanks, and then you can increase or decrease your amount. This is a paid feature from YouTube, okay? So if you want to type in a message, you can click here and remove your remove that thanks, and type in your comment. If you want to ask anything and get the answer from me, you can type your question or comment or feedback, whatever you want to say, and there will be an amount. You can increase that amount or decrease that amount depending on your currency, and you can click on buy and send, and your question will be below my YouTube video, and then I can reply to your comments, okay? I thought I should share this option with those people who want to get their questions or comments answered, because understand, people as in people who make YouTube videos like me might not answer every comment which is below their video, especially free comments. Nobody has time, okay? So if you want your question, a comment to be seen and answered, go to the three dots, click on Superfines, type in your question or comment or feedback, and then select your amount and then click on buy and send. I just wanted to share this feature with you, okay? So I think that's all I have to share with you. Subscribe, like, and now let's start the analysis. All right, AUDUSD. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frames. So weekly, we are just above the EMA with the rejection. Okay, and the bull symbol as well. So as per weekly, we might have taken a pullback and then we might go up. But let's come back to daily. In daily, we surely have crossed below the EMA, which means this is the start of a new downtrend. Okay. So I'll come back to daily because if you have been watching my videos since last couple of months, then you would know. Otherwise, you won't, because I give you, or rather, I look for entries in 2 time frames only, either daily chart or the 4-hour chart. Okay. So in all these pairs, I'm going to do the review now. IUD, Euro, GBP, AUSD, CAD and all the videos which you will see now. So we have to only do the analysis for this week only on the daily chart. Okay. So this week starting from Monday. I don't, in 4 hour, we will have confusion. In 4 hour, you will not know whether to go up or down. So we have to make sure we look into the daily charts only. Okay. And apart from that, you can use this analysis for NZD USD pair as well, because I don't record separate videos for NZD USD. So use the same AUD USD if you want to trade NZD USD. So I'll come back to daily in a moment. Let's go back to 4 hour. In 4 hour, we are below the EMI. So the collapse has started. As you can see, the collapse for Euro, GBP, IUD started 4-5 days ago, as you can see, which means we are officially in the downtrend, or rather we are officially in the uptrend in dollars. So that's why the other pairs with dollar are going down. Okay. But coming back to 4 hour, here 4 hour, this was your massive downtrend. Then 2 possibilities, either buy or sell. Okay. But you have to see that this previous high is broken. Okay. So this high is broken by this high, and we can take a pullback and then we can go up. So in 4 hour, we have 2 possibilities. Either we carry on the uptrend or we will get a rejection from the EMA and will go down. Okay. So that's why in 4 hour, if you're not sure about the trend, come back to daily again. In daily, we have crystal clear start of a new downtrend. Neckline has been broken. Wait for the this fib levels here, right here. So from here till here, you can draw your levels, and then this is your pullback happening. I'm expecting the pullback to be maybe up to 61%. Okay. So if you're a short-term trader, 1 hour, half an hour, 15 minutes trader, okay, you can still look for longs, and this probably can end up going up to 6535. Okay. So after that, once the pullback is done, maybe 61%, maybe 78%, you have to just keep an eye on the coming days. So once the pullback is done in daily chart, then you will have the red candle, and then you have to continue going down. Okay. So, and this week, I told you in the beginning that I'll be not focusing on 4 hour entries. I'll be rather focusing on daily chart, because daily is giving clear pattern, clear signal that we are in the downtrend. Pullback has to happen. So far, the pullback has happened only until 38%. Okay. So we might not even get a chance to go up to 61%. That is one more scenario if the dollar is in the super strong uptrend. Okay. So 38% pullback is already done. So it is possible that we might carry on going down from Monday onwards. You never know. But otherwise, as per the 4 hour, we did break this previous high. So we might go up, but you have to keep an eye on daily chart. This is your trend, downtrend, pullback, red candle, and then you go down. Okay. So that's it for this video. Same for NZD USD. If you like what you see, then do all of that we discussed earlier. Subscribe, like, share. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.